Children, I hope you have completed lesson number 1 and 2 with the exercise and some of the question which I gave you. Now the lesson number 3, the Indus Valley Civilization. It is said this civilization is largest of all four civilizations and about 12 times bigger than the Egyptian and Mesopotamian civilization. It was discovered in 1921 before Dayaram Sani and Rakhaldas Banerjee. They discovered Harappa and Mohenjo-daro civil and said as a Harappan civilization. But later after it is found that it was flourished and near the bank of river Indus, then known as the Indus Valley Civilization. Indus Valley Civilization belongs to the Chalcolithic age, means the bronze and copper were used in making utensils and weapons in place of use of stones. So the Indus Valley Civilization may be found in Baluchistan and then Uttar Pradesh, Jammu Kashmir, Maharashtra, and many other places in our country, so that it can be known as the Indus Valley Civilization has set up near our country or boundary of India and Pakistan. It is said there are some more things which was found in the civilization when some of the people they unearthed means when they dig and then found some of the ruins or the wall or bricks and some of more the utensils if they go as they got near the places, so they knows these some of the seals, statues, ornaments, potteries, buildings and other things they got in the Indus Valley civilization. Now let us see some of the characteristic features of Indus Valley civilization. First is town planning. They set up the town and divided into two parts, upper parts and lower part. Then upper part, already I have underlined it, citadel. It has to be said as a citadel, and then lower part is known as lower town. Up in the upper part, it is made by burnt bricks and solid and uh, they were having the special buildings and other great bath, storehouses, assembly hall. The other places it was in the citadel. Upper part is known as the citadel, and then the ruling class means the upper class. They were lived on the upper part of the area. That is the lower town. In the lower town, the common people were living. The common people, rest of this, but the wall of that one from escaping from the flood of the river valley, so that they were making the burnt bricks. You can see the burnt bricks means the bricks were not so short as we are having today. It was some of the more large size from our bricks which is made now. Then houses. The houses of the common people were generally of the two-story. They were making airy, and then they were the streets were on both side. They were having the inside the narrow straight line inside. Then rooms were also airy, and the bricks were of the good quality. There were separate kitchen were there, drainage, the dirty water should be, the drainage system should be there. Okay, that is a some of the wells should be there in their houses they were making. Then next one, the drainage system, the wastewater of all the houses. It was covered not open. Still now we are having the open drainage system from our houses and of colonies and places. It was totally covered with the stones, and then go on one place, that is the street. The street of Mohenjo-daro, or the grid system. Grid system is then the square, and you are making the mat like this. It was the east, west, north, south. They have having the right angle, such a way, roundly. Okay. Then they also having the cards in there. That is given the ruins of lamp. Ruins means the things which has to be left today, and they find it out from the left things. Okay. Then some of the places they are having the roads were rectangular, interval means square. Some of the places you can go from one place to another easily. Then important site, Great Bath. Great Bath means there were so many like pond now. Then on the occasion of Kumbh and any places, people also going to take bath, means many people were going for one place, so that they were celebrating some of the things and take bath in the Great Bath. That is a pond, we can say now. Okay, such a way. It is given the water. Okay. Then storehouse for the granary. Granary, as we are having in our house and storehouses, then they were having the grains to store, and those whosoever needed, they can use. That is the places it is given, Mohenjo-daro and Lothal. Okay. It can be taken by the people, those who are needed. Okay. That is the next one, assembly hall. Then that is the people, those who are having for the some of the point to discuss, so that they can be assembled on place, or the prayer hall. That one given the pillars had to be made. Okay. Then fire at altars, and if there is any of the problem they get suggest. Then the statue of pain, it is already unearthed, that is a given. Then whosoever were there. Dockyard, the city of Lothal stood beside the tributary or Sabarmati river also were there. Dockyard suggests the Indus Valley people carried trade from okay, that is for the trade, dockyard for the trade. Then society also in the last chapter already I explained, only similar to them some of the places. Okay. They also divided into different category. Rich were the merchant, they were first high class, they were priest and ruler and king. And then second one, they were the merchant and traders. Third one, farmer and laborer. Fourth one, the slaves were there, those who were working under them. Okay. The agriculture, the occupation, the people were agriculture were the main occupation of there. They grown crops, wheat, barley, cotton, vegetables, maize, okay, fruits, vegetables, many things it is given. They were they were growing the crops. Okay. They were expert in growing such type of the crops. And then it after seal, still now we are having, but it is started from many years ago. Seal, in that one, that is some of the statue or anything has to be figured in them, so that it can be identified any of the religious belief, any god, any bull, buffalo, that is given the only any of the figure they can mark it on that one. Food, the main food of the people, as it is the wheat, barley, milk product, fruits, and then vegetables, meat, fish, etc. Trade and commerce, they started trading. It means if they grown etc from their own uses, it can be given to the other countries. It is given the some of the things has to be found in Afghanistan and Persia. Then which was in Harappan areas. that is given the Harappan seal were also got it there. They were used boat, ships, and bullock cart for the training. Then sculpture, that is such type of the figure they were making. They were figure, okay, animals were there, humans were there. It was made, the dancing girl also famous of bronze. The Mohenjo-daro, some of the places it got it. Then ornament, then some of the figure of the dog, mother goddess, okay. Then script, okay, that is a written work. How they started, they have to be makes a figure. Then script is read from the right to left and vice versa, means they are written away. And then some of the symbols they were using in the writing work, and sign they were using. The religion, as before it was said, Lord Shiva, Lord Vishnu, some of the, here it is given the people tree they were worshipping. And then they also believe life after death, and mummies, last chapter we already learned it, okay. Then ornament and utensils, they also believed in the life after death and also buried with them, okay. These are the some of the points, characteristic features of Indus Valley civilization. We learn it.